Check this out, y'all. I got me 2 wrap snacks today. Over here, as you can see, little baby going on. So this time he got cheese, got cheddar cheese and sour cream. Cheddar cheese and sour cream this time. Potato chips. Yeah, he knows stuff always tastes good. Now if I'm gonna taste one right now. Mm-hmm. Mm. Anything with cheddar cheese will always be my thing. I'm a cheddar cheese lover. Cheddar cheese come in handy. Mm-hmm. Now, look what I got. Amigos. They call them 3 Amigos on TV. I got some snacks with them on for a change. Now they're at another store down the street from the other store that sells celebrity snacks, wrap snacks. And this store carry more snacks and getting gone fast too. The one that's closer by. Yeah. And their flavor will be sour cream with a dab of ranch. That's right. Their thing is sour cream with a dab of ranch. Potato chips. Migos. I like that out there. Now let me go back to the slogan on both of these doggone potato chips. They be tasting so good. Let me taste one before I start talking about the slogan. Mmm. Sour cream with ranch. Mmm. Sour cream and ranch. Yes. I always wonder how that tastes with potato chips. See, I love wrap snacks. They come with stuff that tastes good. Stuff I never thought I'd see in a store. Now with the little baby, hard work pays off. That's his phrase. With his wrap snacks. And then this one, then with the Migos, that guy here, dabbing is a lifestyle. Yeah, I can see that. Dabbing is a lifestyle. I like their slogans. Every celebrity got some slogans to go with their pretty wrap snacks and tasty wrap snacks. Guess I'm gonna have fun feeding off their food for a change. Cause I never thought that we could have so much tasty food from celebrities that do a lot of rap music. So that's why they call their snacks a rap snacks. Well, I'm one of them girls that love rap snacks. Y'all got me on that? Mm-hmm. So do. I hope to try some more celebrities that be singing. More rappers need to make some more rap snacks and start selling it so I can taste their stuff too. Mm-hmm. That's right.